Hey, what's up, everybody? Thanks for joining me. So, due to popular demand and because of a lot of interest, people have asked me to create a 2024 and 2025 investors guide to crypto. People are curious about what my plans are to invest in this crypto market, how I'm managing my multi-million dollar portfolio, what are some of my entry and exit strategies specifically, what sectors and categories am I heavily invested in. So this course is designed, it's going to be released today. Finally, it took me about 2.5 weeks to create it. And because I'm so excited to release it to you guys, normally it's $399, but it's on sale 70% off. It's only 125 bucks, guys. Definitely take a look at it. It's going to teach you everything you need to know about all of the different sectors out there in crypto, what to look out for, how I'm diversifying heavily into the AI and the gaming coins as well. What are some other hot coins to be looking at? I'm going to show you guys a very comprehensive course and give you an outline of all of the major categories so you have the tools and the skills to do research for yourself. We're going to go over basically everything on exchanges that you might need to know, safety and security, how to research coins, the best sectors and categories out there, what are some emerging coins as well, how's the regulatory landscape as well. But the most important is the strategy that will be used and the risk management techniques as well. So anyways, I hope to see you guys in the course. I hope that you enjoyed. I know for a fact you're going to learn so much from it. I hope that you have as much fun watching the course as much as I've had fun creating the course. So see you there. Bye now.